Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily hide or show parking on map display on your Suzuki. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we have our navigation. As you guys can see, the letters P is the parking. What are we going to do here is we're going to go to settings and then select nav, which is our navigation. We're going to go to map display, and here we need to scroll down a little. Here you'll have your interests, and we're gonna disable the parking. Now when we go back, let me just quickly enable the navigation. Here there are no P's on our map anymore because we disabled the parkings, and that's how you guys can easily do it. So you guys can hide them or show them by just tapping on them in the map display settings. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.